Hi, and welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going over computer codes. CAR allows you to save codes that you pull from a vehicle into a service request. This allows you to outline your diagnosis carefully and share with your clients what's happening and how you're working to resolve it. So the database of computer codes that you enter are saved into CAR, in addition to the standard SAE codes that are pre-populated in your CAR database. So to access this database from any page on the left menu, navigate to Computer Codes. New computer code will allow you to enter a new code that you have taken from the vehicle on your scan, or View All Computer Codes will allow you to view all the computer codes presently in the database. From the computer code list page, you can view existing, you can edit it, or you can delete it. Now, from a service request, every single service request job will have the ability to add computer codes to that section. So let's say you have a vehicle in for a diagnosis, check engine light, and you hook up your scanner and it tells you you have a PO420 code. So you type in PO420 and you can add that to your service request. This will help you provide significant value to your clients by outlining their exact problem and the steps that you took to remedy them. In addition, within a service request, you can add a new computer code on the fly. By trouble code fault location, it will add it directly to the job, and you can keep adding as many as you need or close it when completed. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Car Training. Have a great day.